Hey guys, today I'm gonna make some shrimp stir-fried rice. So let's get walking. I'm gonna keep this pretty simple like usual. Get the burner lit here and put it on kind of medium heat. And I'm gonna use avocado oil. This has a 500-degree smoke point. It's what I usually use for stir fries. Just buy this at the grocery store. So start off with a little bit. Sometimes I have to add more as I go along. And then just some frozen mixed vegetables here. Just dump a little bit of those in the bottom there. And we'll let those get going. And once those kind of cook a little bit, then we'll work on the next step. My veggies have been in there for about 3 or 4 minutes. They're starting to look pretty good. I'm going to add just a little bit more oil now and add my shrimp. These are about 7 shrimp. Those are 16, 20 size shrimp, I think. So they're pretty good sized shrimp. I have like 7 of them, I think. You can use as many as you want. I just kind of eyeball stuff when I do this stir fry. I'm just going to let those cook until they turn pink. It's been a couple of minutes and my shrimp are pink. These were frozen shrimp, but I let them thaw out before I put them in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn that off now. I'm going to add some of this rice here. So I turned the heat off because the rice tends to kind of stick. So I'm just going to spread a little of this rice in there. I cooked this in my Instant Pot yesterday. This is brown rice, but you could use any kind of rice that you want. And I'm also going to add some of these green onions on the top there. And a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. I'll sprinkle a little of that on there. And also some of this House of Tsang classic stir-fry sauce. Put a little bit of that in there. Do this last, the sauce, because it'll burn if you put it in there too soon. The sugar will burn. Okay, I turned the heat off. I'm just going to cover that. Just let it kind of warm through for a couple of minutes, and then I'll stir it up. Alright, just been sitting here for a couple of minutes. Now I'm just going to stir it all up, get it all mixed together. Looks like it's pretty well warmed through. And we'll grab a plate and try it out. Alright, let's see how we did here. I put a slice of avocado on top there. Got these nice big shrimp. Wow, looks pretty good. This would cost you quite a bit if you had to buy this in a restaurant with shrimp that size. Let's try it out. That turned out real good. Annie showed up. Should I give her one of these big shrimp and see if she'll eat that? Having to chew that a little bit. I wasn't sure she liked shrimp or not, but that's Annie approved. Well, that turned out good and it was nice and easy. And if you don't have a wok, you could just do it in a frying pan. Anyway, I'll write everything I used in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. Stay out of the drive-thrus.